Problem number 9. Construct the analytic function whose real part is r square cos 2 theta. In terms of r and theta ide. So obviously this is what polar form. See here, real part is given. Real part nothing but we shall consider u. U is equal to r square cos 2 theta. So we have here polar form. So that's why differentiate with respect to r partially. Nothing but del u by del r. U function with respect to r partially ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Next the same u function with respect to theta. So because polar form. Suppose ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ವೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ, ರೈಟ್? ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ 2r. ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ 2r ಕಾಸ್ 2 ಥೀಟಾ ಕೀಪ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಥೀಟಾ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲಿ. u function with respect to theta partially ಅಂದಾಗ nothing but del u upon del theta. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ u theta ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, del u upon del theta ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಸೊ del u upon del theta ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಸೊ obviously we can write here u theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ u function with respect to theta partially. Cos 2 theta differentiation r square keep as it is because r treated as a constant, so that's why r square keep as it is. Cos 2 theta differentiation. Cos 2 theta differentiation sin 2 theta minus sin 2 theta into 2, right? Minus sin 2 theta into 2. So that's why we can write here minus 2r square sin 2 theta. So next we have to find its analytic function, right? Analytic functions find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Polar for Cartesian form ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ we shall consider f dash of z is equal to ux plus I into vx ತಗೊಂತ ಇದ್ವಿ. So here we shall consider f dash of z is equal to e power minus I theta ur plus I into vr we shall take. ur plus I into vr we shall take, right? F dash of z is equal to e power minus I theta. Only we have here ur and u theta. ur ಇದೆ, u theta ಇದೆ. So that's why ur u theta ಇದೆ, but ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ur vr ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ u theta ಬೇಕು. u theta ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ so we shall consider here CR equation. So in place of vr, right, in place of vr, here vr is there. So in place of vr we shall write minus 1 by r into u theta. So vr place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 by r into u theta we have to substitute because ur and u theta we have. By using CR equations, in place of vr we can write here minus 1 by r into u theta. E power minus I theta keep outside. So in place of ur and u theta we have to substitute 2r cos 2 theta minus 2r square sin 2 theta. 2r cos 2 theta minus I into 1 by r into minus 2r square sin 2 theta. We have to substitute ur and u theta, ur and u theta. So next step, e power minus I theta keep outside, minus into minus plus r get cancelled. One term r get cancelled. So plus I into 2r sin 2 theta. 2r cos 2 theta plus I into 2r sin 2 theta, right? So next we have the procedure. Suppose we shall consider the Cartesian form. So in place of x is equal to z, y is equal to 0 we have to take. So in this is what polar form. So that's why we shall take here r is equal to z and theta is equal to 0 we have to substitute. Observe carefully here, theta is equal to 0. Theta is equal to 0, e power 0 value. E power 0 value is 1. Similarly, theta is equal to 0. R is equal to z. So r is equal to z, we can write 2 into z, 2z it becomes. Theta is equal to 0, cos 0 value 1. So remaining here 2z. So 2z we can write here. Theta is equal to 0. Theta is equal to 0, sin 0. Sin 0 value is 0 itself. So finally we have f dash of z is equal to 2z. F dash of z is equal to 2z we have integrating with respect to z because we want here analytic function f of z. So integration ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, f dash of z integration f of z which is equal to 2 into integration of z. So integration of z, that is z square by 2 plus c. 2 to get cancelled, z square plus c is equal to f of z is the required analytic function, right? So construction of analytic functions when the real part u is equal to r square cos 2 theta. So then we'll get the analytic function f of z is equal to z square plus c, right? Next problem. Find the analytic function f of z is equal to u plus iv. Given V is equal to r minus k square by r into sine theta. So again here they given imaginary part, they given here. Imaginary part V they given here. So the same procedure we have to follow. So first V function with respect to r partially, V function with respect to theta partially. First V function with respect to r partially. R differentiation 1, right? R differentiation 1. K square constant to keep as it is. K square keep as it is, minus 1 by r differentiation, no, minus 1 by r square. Minus into minus plus, right? Plus 1 by r square sine theta keep as it is. Next theorem. V function with respect to theta partially. V function with respect to theta partially. So theta partially r treated as a constant. So that's why r minus k square by r. R minus k square by r keep as it is. Sin theta differentiation no, cos theta. Sin theta differentiation cos theta. So VR and V theta we have. Next we shall consider f dash of z. F dash of z is equal to e power minus I theta ur plus I into VR. E power minus I theta ur plus I into VR, but we have here VR and V theta. So ur ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಈಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. So ur ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು 1 by r into V theta by using CR equation. 1 by r into V theta. So in place of ur we have to substitute 1 by r into V theta. 1 by r into V theta plus I into VR. Right now we have to substitute V theta and VR. V theta and VR. So V theta we have r minus k square by r into cos theta. VR we have here 1 plus k square by r square into sin theta. 1 plus k square plus r square into sin theta. So after substitute V theta and VR, now we shall take r is equal to z and theta is equal to 0. R is equal to z. R is equal to z, here 1 by z, z minus k square by z, theta is equal to 0. Theta is equal to 0, cos 0 value 1. So only we have here 1 by z, z minus k square by z, cos 0, 0 value 1. Next here, 1 plus k square by r square into sin theta. Theta is equal to 0. Sin 0 value 0, 0 and anything is what? 0. So only we have here 1 by z into z minus k square by z. Next here, multiplication of this. We have to multiply these two. 1 by z into z, z get cancelled. We have here 1. 1 by z into k square by z, k square upon z square, k square upon z square. So 1 minus k square by z square we have on integration, because we want here f of z we want here. So f of z we want here. So different integration with respect to z. F dash of z is there. Integration and differentiation get cancelled. F dash of z, right? Integration differentiation get cancelled. So we'll get f of z. Integration of 1 minus k square by z square into dz plus c. Integration of 1 with respect to z, dz ittandre with respect to z anta artha. Integration of 1 with respect to z, z itself. Next here, minus k square by z square is there. K square constant to minus 1 by z square. So minus 1 by z square integration no minus 1 by z ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So minus 1 by z ಆದಾಗ minus into minus it becomes plus 1 by z. So obviously answer will be k square by z plus c. So this is what required analytic function. Required analytic function. Next here. Find the analytic function. Next problem. F of z is equal to u plus iv, given v is equal to r minus 1 by r into sin theta. R is not equal to 0. So similar to previous one. So previous instead of 1 we have here k square, right? K square badle ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ 1 ಇದೆ. So similar to previous problem. Obviously imaginary part they given here. V function with respect to r, V function with respect to theta. V function with respect to r. So V function with respect to r. Sure, V function with respect to r means theta treated as a constant. Theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ constant ತರ treat ಮಾಡಬೇಕು theta na, right? So that's why sin theta keep as it is. Differentiation of r, right? Differentiation of r ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ r differentiation 1 minus 1 by r differentiation. So obviously minus 1 by r square. So it becomes here plus 1 by r square into sin theta. Next, V function with respect to theta partially. V function with respect to theta partially. Theta partial is nothing but R treated as a constant. So that's why R minus 1 by R. R minus 1 by R. R minus 1 by R keep as it is. R minus 1 by R keep as it is. Differentiation of what? Differentiation of sin theta. Differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. Is it clear? The differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. So we'll get here VR and V theta. Clear? We'll get here VR and V theta. Consider f dash of z. So f dash of z is equal to e power minus I theta into ur plus I into VR. So only we have here VR and V theta we have, right? VR and V theta we have. So instead of UR, we can write here 1 by R into V theta because by using the CR equations, right? CR equations use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು UR irreplaceably 1 by R into V theta we can write. So now we have to substitute V theta and VR. V theta and VR we have to substitute here. V theta R minus 1 by R into cos theta. VR is equal to R minus 1 by R into sin theta, right? V theta and VR. VR 1 plus R square sin theta. R minus 1 by R into cos theta. V theta and VR we have to substitute. Next, in place of R we have is equal to Z. R replaces Z ಹಾಕಿ theta replaces 0 ಹಾಕಿ. R replaces Z ಹಾಕಿದರೆ theta replaces 0 ಹಾಕಿದರೆ theta is equal to 0 first. E power 0 value 1, right? Observe carefully here. Theta is equal to 0, e power 0 value 1. Next we have R replaces Z ಹಾಕಿ. 1 by Z, Z minus 1 by Z. 1 by Z, Z minus 1 by Z. Theta is equal to 0. Cos 0 value 0. Next here, sin theta. Theta is equal to 0. Sin 0 value 0. 0 to anything is what? 0. So we have here f dash of Z is equal to 1 by Z, Z minus 1 by Z. Next, multiply money. 1 by Z into Z, Z get cancel, will have 1. Minus 1 by Z into 1 by Z, it becomes 1 by Z square. F dash of Z is equal to 1 minus 1 by Z square on integration, right? F dash of Z integration, F of Z. Integration of 1 minus 1 by Z square plus C. Integration of 1, that is Z. Integration of minus 1 by Z square, that is minus 1 by Z. Obviously, it becomes a plus 1 by Z plus C. So this is what required analytic function, right? Here they given in the type 2 they given here imaginary part or real part they given. We have to find its analytic function. So type 1 problem we were discuss about we have to show that the given function is analytic or not, right? Then we have to find its derivative. Type 2 they given real part and imaginary part, so we have to find its analytic function, right? So this is about type 1 and type 2. So next we shall move on to type 3. So type 3, there is finding the conjugate harmonic function and the analytic function. So here we have to find conjugate and its harmonic we have to find here. So finding the conjugate harmonic function and the analytic function. So we have a working procedure. So given u and nothing but real part. So real part they given, we have to find del u upon del x and del u upon del y. Nothing but u function with respect to x partially, u function with respect to y partially. So we shall consider CR equations. Next part. Suppose they given u, real part they given, we have to find ux and uy. Next, we shall consider the CR equations, right? We shall consider the CR equation. We shall consider the CR equations. Del u upon del x is equal to del v upon del y, and del v upon del x is equal to minus del u upon del y. First part is very clear. We have to find its partial derivatives. Next, we shall consider the CR equations, substituting for del u by del x and del u by del y. So del u by del x and del u by del y, we get a answer. So we have to substitute here. Next, we get vy uy, right? Nothing but del v by del y, del v by del x we have here. Del v by del y and del v by del x we have, because del u by del x, del u by del y we have to substitute here. So that's why we get vy and vx we have. These can be solved by direct integration to obtain the required v. On integration ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ in terms of vl ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. The same procedure is adopted to find u and given v. The same procedure. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು v ಕೊಟ್ಟು u ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, we have to find v. Next, the same procedure is adopted. Suppose when they given v, v ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಇವನು ಈ ಏನು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಯು v ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಇವನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫರ್ದರ್ u plus iv, it's clear f of z is equal to u plus iv. That is what analytic function. Further, u plus iv will give us f of z as a function of x comma y, putting x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. So we can obtain the f of z as a function of z, right? So it's very clear. Finally, u kottare we have to find. So finally, we shall consider f of z is equal to u plus iv. U and v we have to substitute. Next, x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. We have to substitute. Finally, f of z is equal to u plus iv be the analytic functions. This is a working procedure for type 3 problems, right?